sunshine. Shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine.
Like our sunshine.
Shower me with good times.
We're out here playing jump ball with Matt in the middle of nowhere.
Everything will be alright.
I ain't happy, feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for long.
Everything will be alright.
I ain't happy, feeling glad I got
Sunshine.
in a bag, I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy.
Shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright. Cover me in sunshine.
Like our sunshine.
Shower me with good times. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright.
I ain't happy, feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for long.
Everything will be alright.
I ain't happy, feeling glad I got
Sunshine. Tell me that the world's been spinning since the beginning, and everything will be alright.
I ain't happy, feeling glad I got sunshine. In a bag, I'm useless, but not for long.
Everything will be alright.
I ain't happy, feeling glad I got
Sunshine.
in a bag, I'm useless, but not for long. The future is coming on. I ain't happy.
Oh shit! What's up, guys? I'm here with Matt and Kenny. Jump Life. Was jumping all day with Matt. Matt's one of the best jumpers I've ever seen. We're very appreciative. We spent all day crushing jumps, sending it. Matt, we're very grateful that you allowed us in your area.
Absolutely.
And thank you so much, brother.
Thanks
We
for
love
coming
you.
out, sir.
And Kenny too. Kenny's a monster. What's your
Matt Dunn.
Matt Dunn on
Underscore
Instagram?
Matt Dunn.
Underscore Matt Dunn. And you?
Kenneth Contorsi. Actually, no, it's Kenny Contorsi. Just my name.
All right. All right. And you already know Jump Life at youtube.com. Jump Life Crew. Again, Matt, thank you. And we'll see you guys soon. What crew you part of?
Jump Life, baby.